Hi everyone, it's Sylvia Wokolo. Today I just want to talk about, the running challenge, and I just want to know how have you been, you know, feeling about this challenge? Something that I take on board while you do this challenge, something I think you should have in mind is that you're running your race. You're not running my race, you're running your race. And that would show up in many ways in the way you treat the running challenge, in the sense that when you're running and taking it easy and taking those gentle steps, and you see somebody passing by and sprinting and running fast, you can either feel embarrassed, you feel embarrassed that you're not going as fast, or you can say, that's okay. This is me today, and this is me running my race today. And that is the attitude that I want you to have while you're doing this challenge, is to know that you are running your own race. You're running for your health. You're not running for somebody else running her or his race. And when you look at it that way, you take it in you stay consistent, and progress with your walking to running, and know that you're just only going to get better. Because, like I say, I remember when I used to run round the block, and it was like, I've just done like a half marathon, you know. But now I do a 5K in less than 30 minutes, and that is just because I have been running my race. I haven't been running for somebody else and feeling guilty or feeling embarrassed. So I want you, while you do this challenge, to take it on board, to um take this as, I am just going to go by the end of the five days. I am going to go from walking and achieve my long desire of running in 5 days. And don't stop there. It is just the beginning. Now you have to keep on running your race. So I hope you take this on board. I hope you remember that you're running your race and not for somebody else. And I'm looking forward to your success story. Let me know how it goes for you. I'm rooting for you. And I'll speak to you later.